If you're a tobacco user, it's going to cost you a bit more money to feed your habit. The basic price of tobacco products is remaining fairly stable, but the taxes are going up. SNN Local News 6 reporter Charles Brown has more on that. Charles.
Lauren, we're out here at the Tobacco Depot at Bee Ridge and Cattleman, and you can see in back of me it's been a pretty busy place so far this afternoon. Now, both state and federal governments have increased taxes on cigarettes and other tobacco products.
They're out a few years.
The new state tax on cigarettes will raise about $1 billion a year. Legislative leaders are calling it an indispensable piece of the state's $65 billion budget, but some tobacco dealers don't feel that way.
Whenever the government gets involved in dealing in corporations and companies, because it creates extra work in addition to everything else you have.
On April 1st, the federal government tacked another $1 a pack on the federal cigarette tax. They also added 40 cents to the federal tax on cigars. The additional revenue will be used to help provide health care for children whose parents have no health insurance, but still it's not good news for cigar smokers like Jim Schrock.
But it's a nice small cigar. I smoke Miami Sweets. They come in 5 or 6 different flavors. They're a nice, easy smoking cigar.
Now we're faced with the state tax, which is another $1 a pack for a pack of cigarettes and $10 to $12 more increase on a carton of cigarettes.
And if you think smokeless tobacco users and pipe smokers are getting away scot-free, think again. Both of those items will be taxed at 80% of their wholesale cost. So the question now is, with the cost of tobacco products going through the roof, will tobacco users give it up?
I think people are leaning more towards the value brand cigarettes as opposed to the premiums, based on the fact that, the cost has gone up.
The latest numbers indicate that the number of adult smokers in the United States is hovering at about 20%. That's right, 20% of the adult population are still smoking in this country. 25 million men and about 23 million women. Lauren?
All right, Charles Brown reporting for us. Again, that cigarette tax takes effect July 1st.